Hi guys, this is Today I'm showing you a video of hacking. So let's get started. And we're gonna play. So you see these toolbox for Minecraft. You just need my toolbox. So we're gonna enter the game. So we're gonna take some minutes. Sometimes yep. So you see here 1 to 2.1.09. So actually you don't need to be worried about this. No. You see like this live with SG. So here we go. So I hacked. So I got VIP for free. And I can change it in any time. Oops. Like think about it, this mini map. This M over here, you can cheat. New stuff. But you can't do anything VIP. Just download this app. Your life will be better. So let me just show you guys. So if you got free VIP, what you need to do, just make this done. You can't fly, right? So what you're gonna do, just go fly. So here. So actually let me check if you guys don't agree. Yep, I'm a VIP. So let's get some Hunger Games. I just need to make a kit. So you're gonna be so impressed. I'm gonna place this. Just one more time. Okay, now let's go. Yes. So actually you see new stuff on your side. So here we go. So don't do that fast because the players will know that you hack. Maybe they'll report you. So like you see, it didn't ban me for like a while. So I'm gonna just try to win. Let's get started. You see like how fast am I? So you can see how fast am I running. They're gonna try to follow you and tell you what the heck is he of so fast. He might be hacking. They will not know how to ban you. So actually if you want, just make hashtag ban the player name. Like I'm gonna ban this guy over me. So I wanted to kill myself to show you what else I can do. So you can get in organs and like you see, and sometimes it works. Like mine, I don't know. So someone want to team, okay? So actually you need to do just go there, find diamond sword. You just, it sometimes works, sometimes nope. We need to sometimes you need to make ban and stuff and that. But I like to do like Not nice to do that though. Look, I told you to give me 3 pens. Like it by myself. Look what I'm gonna do. So actually you can like ban it, player name, but in servers, not in Hunger Games stuff. Let's get started. Some more Hunger Games. Look, it didn't ban me for like a while. Maybe it will be stay like forever. Maybe not. So this is fun to play with people and win every time. It's so perfect. Look at my hand, how fast it is. Killed it on 3 seconds. Isn't that cool? Just say it is. Do more. So it's episode 2 maybe in this game. So you don't need to collect stuff if you are a hacker. Look, I'm gonna leave these diamonds with me. Where's the sticks? So like you see, it's full. Nope, nothing. I don't like to get stuff. Look how fast am I don't know. Like even the swimming is so fast. That would be cool if you were a hacker. But don't make it that fast. It will ban you in 3 seconds. I just need crafting table. Let's try some crafting table, please. Table. No. Let's crafting table. نصي مات نصي ده نصي Yeah, I think that was the middle though. And this is getting so weird. Here we go, this is... Do you have crafting table? Answer is no. Oh, come on! Yeah. So... No crafting table. Like every game you find like 30,000 crafting table. But here's nothing. Oh, what is downstairs? Wait a minute. Oh, there's nothing. Well, guess what? How you thought you would find a chest in here didn't. Okay, I hate you. I'm not finding a chest. I'm finding a crafting table, please. Finally. So let me put this stuff Here. Let me check my armory. I just need boots. Does it have boots? No. Huh? Nope. I just need a boots. So let's get up. So no one did yet, huh? Oh, and I'm close to the middle. I think so. I think from here I came from. So this house is middle of nowhere. So I see someone over there, and I see the middle, and he's there. Great. No, I'm not scared from her. He didn't see me. So I'm so good. And then we didn't use my hacking skills. We're gonna keep my hacking skills in my inventory. I don't know how to spell it. Yep, 1 minute. We're gonna start the game now. We get ready to fight. No one can no one can hide from me because this mini map is near me. Even you can't run from me. I can like fly, but it will abandon me. Just speed is fine. So I like speed because it doesn't abandon you. Even the thousands. Look. Oh, look, it didn't abandon me. Yep, here you go. Here you go. This is the hacking skill. He can't touch you. Don't touch. See? It didn't take me only 3 seconds. That is all the video today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely crush that like button, subscribe. That would be so awesome. And see you next time. Goodbye.